Okay, we have 2 more problems really quick that I'm going to have you guys mostly do on your own, but I do want to show you something important. So right now, go ahead with your team and decide 8 divided by 6. How do I write that as a fraction? Go. Okay, hopefully you've come up with 8. My first number is my numerator. Second number is my denominator. 6. 8, 6. 8 divided by 6. Yes? Okay. One thing that you need to realize is this is able to be simplified. Okay, you could divide by 2 and get 4/3, right? I bet some of you guys were already thinking that. Or some of you might have noticed, wait, this is improper. The bigger number's on top. So then once you simplify it, you could also simplify it and turn it into your mixed number. 4/3 would be 1 1/3. So right away, you guys knew what to do here, but I just want to show you, make sure today, if you see anything like this, you always check, can I simplify? Okay. We've talked a lot about simplifying and how anytime you can simplify, you should simplify. Okay, so that's one thing you're going to see at some point in the problem set. And then the last thing I wanted to bring up was you might actually start with a mixed number. They might give you this, 1 2/3, and ask you to turn that into a division sentence. So the question is, what number is going to go here? We already know our denominator goes in the second place, so that's 3. But what in the world is my first number going to be? Am I going to be dividing by 2 here? Or is it going to be 2? No. Because I also have a 1 whole. I have 1 whole and 2/3. Think about this with your team right now. Talk to your team and see if you can come up with a number. What should we put here? What number are we actually starting with? Go. All right. Hopefully you had some good discussions with your team. And what I want to show you is 1 2/3. If we're starting with 1 whole, that would be 3/3 plus 2/3, which means 3 plus 2 is 5/3. We're starting with 5/3 right here. So 5 would be my numerator, my first number, and 3 is my denominator, so it goes here. So if I were you and you're starting with the mixed number, I would break it apart first and then make it a fraction, an improper fraction, sorry, and then use that as your sentence. Because you got to remember, this is 3/3 and 2/3. So this is 5 we're starting with, 5/3, 5 divided by 3, okay? So those are honestly the hardest ones on the problem set. So if you've got this, it should be easy peasy. Now, on the problem set, I want you guys to do numbers 1, and it's like, I think A, B, and C. C is going to be the random reporter. Then I want you to skip the second page for a minute. You're going to skip number 2 and number 3. And I want you guys to go to number 4 next on the problem set. Do all of those. And then you can go back if there's time and work on numbers 2 and 3. You'll see why, but basically 2 and 3 are more word problems. 1 and 4 are more just practicing this type of stuff. So I want you guys to practice these things more and then get to the word problems if there's time. Okay? Good luck. I love you all. Please be good for my sub. Please take care of my classroom. Please be kind to each other. Be respectful. I miss you so very much. I promise I wish I was here. But you've got this. Show them how we do the whiteboards and take care of each other. Be good to your teams. I promise I am looking at the reports every single day to hear how you guys are behaving, how you are taking care of things, how well you are learning. And I promise when I come back, we will have big discussions about what you're doing. And there will be rewards for students who have been rocking it. And there will be consequences for those of you who have been making poor choices. But right now it's Monday. It's your first day of the new week. So let's turn it around and make it an awesome day.